In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Shopify API Key. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Shopify admin to find or generate an API key, plus a few best practices to keep it secure. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has the right permissions to access developer tools for your store. Interfaces can change slightly over time, but the flow we'll cover is the same. Start by signing into your Shopify admin for the store you want to work with. Confirm you're in the correct store if you manage more than one. Your API key is tied to the specific store context you're in. Once you're in the admin, head to Settings. You'll typically find this in the lower left corner of the dashboard. Inside Settings, select Apps. This area is where Shopify centralizes app controls and developer access. In the Apps area, look for the option labeled Develop Apps. Click that. This opens up the development features that let you manage app configurations and credentials. You're not writing code here, you're just accessing the dashboard that holds your API details. Next, choose Build Apps in Dev Dashboard. This takes you into the developer dashboard environment for your store. Think of it as the control center where app-related resources live, including credentials. Let everything load fully so you see the complete navigation. On the left-hand menu of the Dev Dashboard, click Catalogs. This section organizes related developer resources and is where you'll find the credentials area you need. If you don't see it right away, expand the menu items and take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. The labels may vary slightly depending on updates, but the path remains consistent. You're heading toward the credentials. Under the API key section, you'll see options to copy an existing key or generate a new one. If you already have a key and simply need to use it, click Copy Key and store it safely. If you need a fresh key, choose Generate a New One. Generating a new key is helpful when rotating credentials for security or setting up a new integration. After you generate it, copy it immediately and save it in a secure place, like a password manager or a secrets vault. Treat your API key like a password, don't share it publicly, don't commit it to code repositories, and use environment variables when integrating it into your application. If a key is ever exposed, rotate it by generating a new one and updating your apps. That's it, you've logged in, navigated through settings and apps, opened develop apps, entered the dev dashboard, visited catalogs, and copied or generated your API key. Keep it secure and you're ready to integrate with Shopify.